Let's create this viral 3D style pop-out effect in Photoshop with quick and easy steps. There are few variations, but for this video, let's do it on a photograph. For that, let's make a rectangle around the subject with white border of 25 to 30 pixels and select any color as fill except the white color. Now we have to distort it, but before that convert it to smart object. Then click on any one of its handles. After that right click and select distort. Press Shift plus Alt Option key to simultaneously drag the bottom corners out and top corners in. To make it low, just drag the center handles down. Now double click on the layer to open layer style and add drop shadow. Modify as you like or copy the settings. Then again click on any one of its handles, right click and this time select wrap. Get these corners up to give our photo some curve. Now drag the image layer above the rectangle layer and select the subject. After that hide the image layer. Select magic wand tool and with add to selection option enabled, activate the rectangle layer, select the fill color from it to add to the selection along with the subject. Now unhide the image and add layer mask to it to hide the extra part. Finish it by adding a gradient fill layer below the rectangle layer, and that's how we can create this pop-out effect. Using the same technique, I have made Zendaya pop out from her social media post. With first got her Instagram template with screenshot, hide the center part, adjusted this photo in center, make a selection and placed her on the top with few parts in front of the post. Add some border and then added shadow to make it more real. And also this one where ducks pop out from phone, where first I've hidden the phone's display and added this image on top, then hide the extra part outside the display. Very easy, right? Let me know which one you like the most. If you're watching till here, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment what should we create next in Photoshop. Also follow me on my socials, links are in the description. Until next time, keep watching Haynes Graphics.